everyone, welcome back. Today I want to talk about 3 Mary Kay bargains. Yes, these are just skincare related, but they are products that I would absolutely recommend you to try because they work and they're affordable in my experience trying and comparing it with other products from other brands. Now, I'm doing skincare today. In a future video I will do makeup. I think that it's important to have that as well, but skincare is my #1 priority, and if you've been on my channel you probably already know that. So the first thing that I think it's a bargain and it works, I recommend it every single time, I've used it since I was 18 and now I'm 35, is the Time Wise set. I have a review if you want to find out why I love it so much, what it does, the steps and everything that brings in that set, but I'll have that on the top of the screen. What I'm going to tell you on this video is that for $95 you get 4 products, and they're the basic products that you need to have a skincare routine for the morning at night. Basic, but it's enough so you can prevent future damage to your skin and also help to improve the appearance of your skin, of the fine lines that you already have on your skin. So it's kind of a 2-in-1. I've been using this product again since I turned 18, and I think that it had a great influence on how my skin looks like right now that I'm 35. A lot of people ask me, what do you do to your skin? And I think it's just a process that it helped to make my skin look what it looks like today. I still have skin issues, I have psoriasis, I have a few dark spots, but I think that overall the Time Wise Miracle Set is what it really helped me, and I think it's a great bargain because compared to other basic sets that you can find at Sephora for $95, sometimes you can find just one product. So it's just one of those things that you have to keep in mind that I'm comparing with other high-end products that you can find at Sephora. The second product that I think it's a bargain is another set, and this is the Botanical Effect Set. I also have a review on it and comparison. If you want to check it out, will be here. But you'll get 4 products for $58. Now this set is not for people that are trying to prevent, any kind of fine lines, or, it's not anti-aging. It's for those of you who have a daughter that is around 12, 13, maybe younger, but you're starting to see that they have some kind of clogged pores, or they have white dots or blackheads or whatever. This is a great set for only $58 and 4 different steps that are going to clean the skin. They're going to do the mask. You'll have a lotion to put on top and close the pores, and you'll have a moisturizer. Those are 4 simple steps that are not only going to help the skin improve right now, but it's also going to give them some kind of a routine, so when they get older they can continue that routine with an anti-aging product. In my experience, it works. I've tried it with several people that is under 18 and they love the results. Most of them do, and I think that for $58 is a great deal. Finally, the Clear Proof Acne Set. Now they have 2 sets, one for $20 that I would recommend you to try that one if you haven't tried it before. If you have a teenager, you probably tried many different acne sets, and if they don't work, they just sit under your sink forever. Now Mary Kay has that option that you can buy a small size for $20. You can try it, see if it works, and if it works you can buy the full size. The full size retails for $59, and it comes with 4 different products. Now this way you'll have you'll have more product in the $59 set. It's a complete set for $59, and you will repurchase as you need it. I've seen a lot of people having to go through those self-delivery things, and sometimes the product don't even work. So if you want to save a little bit of money and try an acne treatment that in my opinion is worth trying, this one is not only a bargain, but it's very effective. Again, if you're trying it for the first time, go for the smaller size, the $20 one, because that way if the medication inside this set is the right one for the kind of acne that your son, your daughter, or whoever has, and that way, if it helps, then you're on the right one. So if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe so you won't miss any future videos. Also, leave in the comments down below if you think that, there's another bargain that I didn't mention in this video from Mary Kay. If any of these sets work for you or they don't work for you, please share them in the comments as well. It's always nice to see different experiences from people that use the same product. I will have a playlist on the top of the screen right now if you want to check out more Mary Kay videos. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.